Hi you guys, it's Mrs. Laius. We are doing page 7 today in your October grammar packet. Make sure you're on the right page and it says Halloween is October 31st and there's a picture of a pumpkin. Okay, so today we're really focusing on capitalization because this one can get pretty tricky. We're going to start looking at capitalization when it's used in a quote. It says the first word in a quote, and remember a quote is dialogue, something that's being said by someone else, and we'll know when it's a quote because we'll see the quotation marks. And it says the first word in all quotes should be capitalized. If the quote is split up, which means there's dialogue here and then dialogue here, there is no beginning capital for this second part. If it's in the middle of a sentence, if it's a new sentence, then yes, it does need a beginning capital. So let's do some practice. Notice that I have a quote here and a quote here. It's split up, so that means I should only capitalize the beginning of this quote. So I would write, quote, quote, capital P, pumpkins are usually orange, comma, quote, quote. I'm just copying it as it said, but notice I capitalized that P. I am not going to capitalize this one because remember, if it's split, there's no beginning capital for the second part, okay? If this was a period and it ended and this was a brand new sentence, then yes, then I would capitalize it. But notice it's separated by a comma, so I'm not going to recapitalize the beginning of this quote. So I'm just going to go ahead and write down the one that I fixed, which was this quote, the beginning. Number 2, pumpkins can be baked, roasted, steamed, or boiled, said the chef. There's only one quote, and again, we just need to capitalize the beginning. So it would be capital P, pumpkins. And don't forget your quotes. Pumpkins can be baked, roasted, steamed, or boiled. And I'm copying it exactly as it says, said the chef. Okay, so I want you to go practice capitalization with quotations. We're focusing on how we capitalize the beginning of a quote, especially if it's at the beginning of a new sentence, okay? So go practice 3 through 6. Use my examples to help you, and I will talk to you later.